true gaming phone has arrived. After 4 years, the new generation of the Legion Y70 is here. Hello everyone, this is Easy Ping. This phone was officially released on the 19th, and we got our hands on it early. To be honest, before I got it, I thought it was another gaming phone focused on performance. But after using it, I found that it seems to be different from other gaming phones. It's not about making your mobile games better, but about letting you play PC AAA games anytime, anywhere. Let's take a look at the appearance. The color of the one I have is 114. It still uses the hardcore esports genes of the Legion family, with an aviation aluminum alloy frame and a gold sand textured glass back. This color is really beautiful, and the touch is also very delicate and does not attract fingerprints. The phone is very thin, only 8.29mm thick, and weighs 227.6 grams. Holding it in my hand, I don't feel the brick-like feeling of a gaming phone at all. The key point is that the most amazing feature of this phone is the all-terrain connect. However, there is a prerequisite. It needs to be used with a Legion PC. After connecting to the computer, all AAA games on PC can be directly streamed to your mobile phone. What does that mean? Imagine you're playing a AAA game on your computer and suddenly need to use the restroom. Just pick up your phone and continue playing, with your progress perfectly synchronized and uninterrupted. Or, if you don't want to play at your computer on the weekend, you can play in bed. It supports 2K Ultra High Definition and DS Loop Transfer. In actual use, the image clarity and lag are very well controlled. You can barely feel the streaming. Besides seamless connectivity, its Tianqi AI is also worth mentioning. It's among the first to pass the national L3 standard certification. For example, in the popular shrimp farming game this year, it has Tianqi Cloud built in, so you can use it immediately without any deployment and have your own personal lobster. Furthermore, for many professionals, AI-powered tricks and AI simultaneous interpretation are particularly useful. During meetings, simply turn on AI-powered tricks, and it will automatically record and transcribe the meeting, and intelligently organize the recordings afterwards. Complete meeting minutes and to-do lists are synchronized to the AI knowledge base. Besides your phone, you can view them on your Legion PC or tablet. Even if your foreign language skills aren't great, you don't need to panic if you need to communicate with a foreigner. Just activate the AI simultaneous interpretation. It can directly translate the dialogue between both parties and present it simultaneously in voice and text format, facilitating easy cross-language communication. As a gaming phone, its primary function is naturally excellent. The new generation Legion Y70 features a dedicated Thunderobot game space, which integrates various game recommendations and rankings, essentially a one-stop gaming platform. It also comes with a bunch of AI game assistants, including AI performance scheduling, AI network acceleration, AI voice print hunter 2.0, AI protection, and more. All these features allow for easy handling of various mobile games. The limited edition version boasts a 5th generation Snapdragon 8 processor paired with LPDDR5X Ultra and UFS 4.1 storage, representing top-tier performance in the Android camp. Cooling utilizes the Qiankuan heat dissipation architecture, a large area VC heat dissipation plate, and high-conductivity graphite liquid crystal index thermal gel, ensuring stable frame rates even under high loads. The screen is 6.8 inches, supporting an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 144 Hz. With a global peak brightness of 2100 nits and a local peak brightness of 7000 nits, it remains clearly visible even in sunlight. Despite its slim profile, it packs an 8000 mAh cycle battery, enough to last a whole day even for heavy users. It supports 90W wired flash charging, reaching 50% in just 25 minutes. For gaming scenarios, it features a dedicated bypass charging function, allowing you to charge while playing without overheating and protecting the battery. The Legion Y70 is not a traditional gaming phone. Instead of excessively competing on mobile game performance, it takes a different approach, breaking down the barriers between PC and mobile through seamless connectivity technology, allowing you to play AAA games anytime, anywhere. Combined with powerful AI, top-tier hardware, and a comprehensive ecosystem, it's more like a full-scene entertainment terminal. If you're a heavy gamer and own a Legion PC, this phone is definitely worth looking forward to. Mark your calendars for the May 19th launch event, and see if the price will surprise you.